Are you fascinated by the success stories about people making money through the internet? If you're new to the digital marketing world and just getting your foot wet, you might get overwhelmed by all the unnecessary claims, suggestions, and tips you find all over the internet. Before you spend a dime on an advertisement campaign, stop. You should think twice. Hey everyone, this is Mert Damlapinar, and I'm going to teach you how you should build a digital marketing campaigns that convert.
Remember, a ship is safe in harbor, but that's not what ships are for.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe or follow me. That way you're going to get notified every time I post new content, which will help you to take your business to the next level. Quick question for you. How many of you have launched your campaign successfully? What were the ROIs and what do you think was the most critical factor in success for that campaign? Leave your answers in the comments so that other people will get to know about your experience. Also, if you have questions, I'll reply to them shortly. Long gone are the days when people used to create an ad, boost it, and it would convert. Unless you're in a less competitive niche, the ad market is getting competitive and people usually see a huge number of advertisements in their wall for the same product. I'm not going to explain about the usual stuff like setting up an objective, defining your ideal customer, targeting, retargeting, or adding Facebook pixel in your website. Yes, you need to do that, but the problem is everyone is doing that as well, and you need to be one step forward than what your competitors are doing. Here are the 5 most essential tips for you. Is your messaging so good that when your ideal customer looks at it, their mouths water, their eyes dilate? Are they thinking, oh my God, has this guy been reading my diary? Are you speaking to them in a way where they feel entirely safe and understood? Remember, all the famous people you like. Why do you like them? Is it because of their status, their movies, their fashion statement? Nope. You like them because they relate to you. Most likely you've heard their stories, known their struggles and the journey they've gone through, and relate that journey with you. To sell, you need to have that connection. Make them feel that you've been in the same position as them and the thing you're selling is capable of solving that problem for the customer. This builds trust and confidence to your ideal customer that you can solve their problem and makes them feel like you're the only one to do it for them. Are you taking advantage of the social anxiety known as FOMO? Are you giving ethical scarcity that makes people take action quickly? People make buying decisions emotionally. They don't logically think about what the product is while purchasing. They imagine what it feels to have it, what emotion it triggers. Like, how good will that new iPhone feel in my hands? Or what impression will I leave when I go to those business meetings with my new awesome car? Everyone thinks they are superior. They want to show that they are worthy of praises. So if your ad campaign has an offer which says, this thing is going to solve your problem, everyone is getting this, and you're missing out if you don't, then that triggers the buying emotion and soon your conversion will touch the roof. Are you presenting you or your company in a fashion where you're a likable and respected authority in your space? Alternatively, are you just being like everyone else and saying, hi, I'm so-and-so and I like to help people? Again, the market is stuffed with lots and lots of information, which quickly gets unnoticed if you don't stand out. So you need to make yourself unique and present your offers in a way that will make your customers' brain to believe that you're the real deal. Your customers have to get excited when they hear you speak and jumping to buy from you whenever you launch something. Most of the time, the campaigns also depend a lot on social proof and your attempt on serving people. Do you consistently provide value to your audience? You don't want to be a guy who pops up when you want to sell. It would help if you establish yourself as a right service provider who is there to serve customers and always there to help. This way, you will be preparing them to buy even if you don't have a product yet. You need to give some exciting factoid about your industry or provide a solution to them for free. Remember those free ebooks they give it to you? That's something that makes their mouths physically open and their voice exasperated with a wow and their soul or sign up to your product or service. Next time, when you launch anything, you get a free targeted audience who is eager to buy from you. Is your social proof so off the hook that they are going to be like, damn, I need this now? Or does your testimony say, yes, this guy's stuff was okay, it's time for you to re-roll those testimonials all over again? Make these testimonials enjoyable, upgrade them to a video if you can, and present your client story there. Remember, story sells, and your testimonials should include their journey of how they became worse to excellent using your product. Again, If anything connects with them or relate with their life, you'll be welcoming a ton of customers from your campaign. Now I'm sure I've made it clear about these most important things that you need to stand out on the digital marketing campaigns you're launching. I can't cover all this stuff on a single video, and we'll be featuring more in the next ones. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll assist you with all these queries so that you and your company always succeed in the marketing campaign. Moreover, if you want to walk through the journey to creating your successful brand with me, subscribe or follow me so that you never miss these valuable videos which could transform your business. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Subscribe to Analytics of Life and don't forget to press the bell icon. Never miss another update or a new video.